Luigi play this. What do you say, guys? Yeah! Yeah! Okay, let's just bring this 3DS over to Luigi. Oh, he's gonna love this game. Luigi.
I love my new couch. I got it after that one-up couch failed me.
Hey, Luigi! Look! Yoshi!
Let me out of your house!
Ah, I'm tired of you! Hey, call Luigi! We got Yoshi's new island for you to play! It's in 3D! Wait, did you say 3D?
Hello.
Oh no! You're not in this game.
Yes, I am, and I'm here to kill you.
No!
Oh, I'll just turn the 3D on.
What? No, you can't do that. No!
Yeah,
Dun dun, I'm still here.